In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily restore WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then head over to settings and then hit add chat, and that's where you can easily find that chat backup feature. You can tap on it to open up chat backup settings, and at the top of the screen it shows the last backup date and the backup size. If you want, you can do a backup manually simply by hitting add backup now, or also you can set auto backup feature. You can just tap on it and set it to daily, weekly, monthly, or you can turn it off. However, I don't recommend you to do that if you want to be able to restore your WhatsApp messages. So just set it to daily or weekly, just like that, and after the backup process is complete, you will be able to restore WhatsApp messages on your new iPhone. You just need to install WhatsApp app and then enter your phone number, and the app will restore all the messages from that backup file. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.